Hello there and welcome to the channel. If you're new here, you're very welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. Today I'm making a Tree of Life salt lamp, and here I am pasting the back of the printed picture that I'm going to be working with today. It's going to take quite a while to do this, so I will be speeding the video up and it will be in 2 or 3 parts. As you saw there, make a comment. If you've got this far, please consider subscribing, like the video, and you can watch as I make this into a front for a salt lamp to make it look much more better, in my opinion, than just a plain salt lamp. Anyone can do this. You just need a scroll saw, a drill, and a lot of patience. Here I am drilling the holes. Each part that you need to cut out needs a separate hole for the saw blade to go through. I'm putting the saw blade through now, through the hole, and then cut away. I'll leave you to listen to some music. Some people find this quite therapeutic, just watching as the wood is removed and the picture is slowly revealed. Comment below if you think of anything that you would like me to do next. I am already working on a Celtic cross. The video for that will be out soon. Hope you enjoy this one. That's the Celtic cross I'm going to be working on. Quick glimpse there, and back to the Tree of Life. And this, as you can gather, is just drilling a hole, cutting out the space to make the picture and moving on to the next one. There is a lot of different little tiny details that you have to put in to give the overall effect, which takes a lot of time. Please consider subscribing. It costs you nothing, and it also costs nothing at all to like or comment. Okay, and this is coming to the end of the first part of this video. I wanted to break it up into smaller sections for you. This is just cutting out the pattern, as I've already said, and finally it will all be taken out. You cut around the outer edge, and then there will be some carving, also sanding, and finally mounting it onto the salt lamp. As I say, I've had to speed the video up as it took absolutely ages to do. I hope you appreciate it by subscribing and liking the video. Hopefully you can comment and watch the other stages to building this wonderful piece of art when it is finished. Thank you for watching, and whatever you do, do it well. See you again soon. Thank you very much.